Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with JumpTask as a complete beginner in 2025. Whether you want to earn crypto passively or complete simple tasks for rewards, the JumpTask is one of the easiest ways to get started online. So let's jump right in. What is JumpTask? JumpTask is a microtask and passive income platform that lets you earn crypto, specifically JMPT tokens, by doing simple things like completing surveys, watching ads, testing apps, or even sharing your internet bandwidth. You can earn directly from your browser, mobile, or partner app like Honeygain and Uprock. To get started, head over to jumptask.io and click Start Earning, or Start Making Money now. You can create an account with Google MetaMask and or an email address. I recommend using MetaMask because payouts go directly to your wallet. Once you are in, now let's take a look at how you can start earning. Go to the Earn tab from upper left corner. Choose offer works like AdGate, BitLabs, or CPX Research Complete Service, or Try Apps for Tokens. Example, earn 20 to 20 cents to $3 per survey. Passive income via Honeygain. Install Honeygain from the JumpTask dashboard. Search for Honeygain. From leaderboard or from here, like that. Now click Go to Honeygain. How to enable passive income? Copy the account ID, then sign up and confirm your email at Honeygain. Go to Honeygain. Enable the jump task mode on the Honeygain app. Download the Honeygain app or sign up with your email on Honeygain website. Connect your wallet and earn JMPT by sharing unused internet. Great for passive daily earnings. Tasking via Uprock. Install and run background tasks to earn crypto on your PC. You earned those tokens will show up in your JumpTask dashboard in real time. You can see detailed stats, daily income, and partner app earnings in one place. Once you reach the minimum payout, you can withdraw your JMPT tokens, open MetaMask or your connected crypto wallet. JumpTask operates on BNB Smart Chain BEP20. So make sure you have added that network. Click Withdraw from Earnings section and confirm the transaction. You can then swap JMPT to BNB or USDT using platforms like PancakeSwap. Here are a few pro tips to maximize your JumpTask income. Use multiple offer walls to find high-paying tasks, refer friends using your referral link, and earn passive commissions. Run passive apps like Honeygain 24 hours and 7 days. Join JumpTask's Telegram or Discord for updates on bonus campaigns. Now, go to Wallet or Earnings tab, then click Connect Wallet, then again connect with Wallet. Now select a wallet like Wallet Connect, MetaMask, or Binance Wallet. Then scan with your mobile or copy the link and open your phone, download the MetaMask app and sign in. You can use rewards from here if available. Then go to linked account. You can link your Twitter account, Discord account, or Telegram account. Just click on link button. Keep scrolling and click authorize. Now it connected. Same as for Twitter and Telegram. Now go to referral links, referral tabs, then copy the referral code and share with your friend for new to JumpTask account. If you persist any issues, go to Help Center and select your problem and chat with JumpTask customer service. And that's it. JumpTask is a simple and legit way to earn crypto online in 2025. Perfect for beginners with zero investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto earning tips and drop your questions in comments in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.